In this video, I'm out in the caravan in Keswick, 100 metres away from Derwent Water. Come and join me. Roll titles. Hi YouTube, Brian James, that Micro Four Thirds guy with you once again. And yes, I'm in the caravan because it's dark outside. I mean, it's, what time is it? 4:37 in the afternoon, and I can't see a thing outside. It's so dark. Now, I'm on a caravan site. Off in the caravan on my own tonight. Mrs. Four Thirds will be along tomorrow when she's finished doing her shift on the ambulances. So I'm on my own tonight with the two dogs who are nicely sleeping at the side. But I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update since it's beginning of December and let you know what's in store for you. Well, I've got some good videos coming up. I'm down here for about 4 days and I'm borrowing a whole lot of equipment to do some reviews on. And it's mainly older equipment. It's not necessarily brand new stuff, but it's fairly current. It's I've got a video on the fantastic ubiquitous 12 to 40 millimeter Olympus Pro lens, the f2.8. That's a smashing lens. I've used one a few times before, but I've never done a review on the channel of it, so I thought I'd do you one of those. That's to come. What else have we got? AM5 Mark III. There's an awful lot of those coming onto the market now that the OM5's come out. So I thought I'd just have a little proper look at the AM5 Mark III and just see what you're going to be getting if you're going to be buying used. And I think it's going to be quite a stunning little camera. So that's to come. We've got a couple of other little lenses to look at as well. And also I'm going to be have a little bit of a wander around the area, certainly around the caravan site and on the Derwent Water, because it is absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to be taking some photographs with all the equipment, so that's going to be a good excuse to take the camera out and take some photos and some video. So I hope you're going to join me on this journey. I've had a load of suggestions. Well, I've had a load of suggestions, not all of them about the camera, but I get lots of suggestions. Thank you. Anyway, I've had a load of suggestions as to what the new camera might be, the new old camera, and I will tell you that some of you have got it right. I'm really impressed by that. Some of you do have it right, because remember, I've put these videos out not just on YouTube but also on Facebook as well, and so I'm not going to tell you where it is, because you might look down that list and say, "Ooh," and narrow it down a bit. So it's on one of the things. So it could be on YouTube, Facebook or LinkedIn, because I put the videos up there, and I've had suggestions on all three of those sites. But some of you, not many, have got it right. And I was out taking photographs with that the other day as well. It's been incredibly foggy up here in Cumbria, so the opportunities to take photos have been very, very restricted, especially on an older camera, because on the older cameras you don't have quite the processing power and you don't have quite the speed. So there's a couple of hints for you on that one as well. But I have been out enjoying myself taking some photographs with it, and it's been really interesting seeing how an older camera fits in when you've got used to the newer current models. So it's going to be an interesting one. That review is going to be coming along in about 2 weeks' time. My Patreon viewers have already seen that, so if you do want to become a Patreon subscriber, there's a link there, by the way. And if you also want to give a coffee via PayPal, you're more than welcome to there, so you don't have to subscribe to anything. That's just one-offs. And all those people who have done that, thank you very much, because you really do help support the channel. And also, as usual, just give us a subscribe if you want, and a big thumbs up. The thumbs up is so incredibly important, as are comments. The more comments you can leave comments below if you want to, because they really do help the channel spread. YouTube has some wonderful little sort of workings out how they do everything, and it's all magic to me. It's all magic. But I know that if you get lots of thumbs up and you get lots of comments, then they spread it up, more people see it. So if you can do that for me, it really would help. And it's free for you to do. It doesn't cost you anything to do that, but you do help me, because the more people who see the video, the more I can actually pay for the channel. So I'm going to look forward to this next couple of days. I don't know what you're doing this weekend, but certainly for me, I'm going to have a nice chilling time. Certainly tonight, because I'm on my own tonight with the dogs. I'm going to have a got my tea in the oven, and I'm going to go and sit down, have some tea, and have a really chilled night in the caravan. This is my little personal place. This is my comfort zone place. I know that home is where the heart is, but this is my mobile home, and it's absolutely wonderful. And I'm down seeing a friend of mine who's also a subscriber to the channel, Trev Fillingham, and he's loaning me some of the equipment that I'm going to be using as well. So if you're watching this, Trev, thanks very much for that in advance, and we should get some really good results. I think he's going to take some of my cameras out and have a bit of a play with them as well, so this should be fun for both of us on that. But until the next time, this is Brian James signing off and saying thanks very much for watching. I shall see you in the next video, which will probably be a review video, and hopefully you're going to enjoy them. Whatever you do, keep on taking your camera out, keep on having fun with your photography. See ya. Bye-bye.